You want to learn how to make this top and pillowcase, stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Chanell, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do a decor on your pillowcases or anything else you want to do. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I don't know if y'all, I can turn my brightness down, but we're doing Chanel. This is some lips with Chanel written all over it, and this is what we're going to place the Chanel on for both shirts and for I want is a print and then cut. So we're gonna cancel that. I want to make this one a basic and this one a basic. And this one basic. I want it to be pink. And I want the sense of this to be it's simple. Alright, and I will be back when I have it all printed out. Okay, we're back. And before we really start pressing them, what you're gonna need for this project, if you are into t-shirts and you are designing your own, you're gonna need a weeding tool, you're gonna need some scissors, you're gonna need a vinyl, you're gonna need a mat, a heat press, and any Cricut machine you have. You're gonna need a mat. Alright, now let's get into the pressing. So, we are done weeding for right now. You're gonna get your mat, and what you're gonna do is okay, and we're back. So I just finished weeding out the design. So all you need for this project is whatever you're designing on. You're gonna need a heat press and any Cricut maker you got. Okay. So first, you're gonna set your piece of whatever you're doing. You're gonna set it on your mat, and you're gonna remove the ones that you're gonna press. Okay. We are waiting for the Cricut machine to, we're waiting on it to warm up, and when it warms up, we're gonna press our they call it garments. If it's like any clothes or anything, they call it garment. We're gonna press our pillow cover once it give us the ding. There go the ding. So we're gonna press it for 15 seconds. Get all the excess heat out of it. Alright. Now that we press it for 15 seconds, we're going to actually put one of our designs down. Yeah, we're gonna put one of it down. Then, oh, I forgot to also mention, you're gonna need a Teflon sheet or a partial paper. Now we're gonna press the design. And I'll be right back. Okay, I want to show y'all one tip. All I'm done. So I'm gonna wait until we get to 15 seconds. Okay. Take your paper off. Remove your mat. Now, this had ripped when I had to weed it, to peel it off to weed. I'm pressing down to see if it's too hot, and it is too hot. So I'm still gonna press it down because it's on a cool surface and it's a cool peel. So you peel it back gently, horizontal way, and you peel it back. Now, see how it's ripped? And yes, it did leave it in the garment. But when we put the words on it, so now the words should be not that big. But if it is, it's okay. It's okay. When we put the words on it, then it's going to make a difference. So now, we're going to move on and we're going to press down our second piece. And we're going to heat press that for 15 seconds. It's on 320 Fahrenheit, and we set it on 30 seconds, but we're going to stop it at 15 seconds. Okay, we stopped it at 15 seconds. We're going to remove our mat, and we're going to press down. It's too hot. It's way too hot, but it's on a cool surface, so it's going to be okay. It's too hot. Now it's cold, and we're going to peel horizontal back. Just like so. Then we're going to place our next garment on top of it. We're going to put our mat on it. We're going to put our Teflon sheet or our partial paper. And we're going to press this down for 15 seconds once again. Okay, now we're back. Now I have to weed out the letters. So, I got my weeding tool. And I'm peeling that. And we're going to place it right here. It says the word Chanel. We're going to place her right there. We're going to press it down with light pressure for 15 seconds. And if I have any leftover words, I will put some words on both of them. But I'm pretty sure I will. Okay. It looks like it's going to be ready for me to peel. I'm peeling that straight horizontal, and as y'all can see, it's on there. It says Chanel. Okay. Now, we're going to put this one away, and we're going to put this one back up there. I did this one off camera. We're going to peel away this one. We're going to weed it. Just like that, like so. There we go. We're going to place it on there like so. We're going to get this t-shirt right. Okay. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to press it like so. We're going to press it for 15 seconds with light pressure. Alrighty. We're going to wait for it to cool down. We're going to come to where I can grip it, and we're going to peel back horizontal, and she is in there. Oh, is it so bright that it's so... Okay, there she goes. That's Chanel. And if you want to see more videos, tutorials like this, please comment below. And y'all have a good day. Bye.